Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. In this video, we're going to talk about what line codes you should use for drywall repair. Recently I did some drywall work in a small bathroom that had some water damage. I cut out the drywall, put the new drywall up, and then I had to spray a texture on it. The original walls in this bathroom had a knockdown texture. What I'm going to do is show you how they put that texture back on and the line codes that you should use when you see knockdown texture like this. Before I apply the texture to the wall, one of the things I'm going to do is get a couple of pieces of cardboard and test out the pattern and to see if it's going to be a good match. I shoot texture on the first piece of cardboard and then I adjust my gun. After I made the adjustments, I felt like it was pretty close to what the original texture was. Now I'm in the bathroom. I've already got everything masked off. I'm getting ready to apply the texture with my texture gun. And as you can see, it uses air pressure to blow the joint compound through the gun onto the wall. Now I've gave it a little bit of time, and now I'm taking my knockdown knife and knocking it down. And that was pretty much it in terms of applying the texture. Okay, as you can see, I already replaced the drywall. I floated it out and it's ready for texture. The line code for that part of it would be DRY 1/2 inch minus. That means drywall that's been cut out, replaced, and it's ready for texture. Now the next code that we're going to use is DRY Tex MK for texture machine knockdown. Now if I would have just applied the texture with the texture gun and left it like an orange peel, then that would be DRY Tex minus, which is where you're just spraying the texture on and that's it. You don't have to touch it anymore. As you saw in the video, I sprayed the texture on and then I came back and knocked it down with a knockdown knife. So that's why it's DRY Tex MK. So when you're in the field and you see a knockdown texture, if it's a large area, you know that they're probably going to use a machine or a texture gun like I did to achieve that knockdown texture. Now if it's just a small spot, they may use a texture sponge, and so you would use a different code for that. Anyway guys, I hope that video helps. I will see you in the next one.